Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the topic electron affinity and electron gain enthalpy. What is electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy? When we know that an atom is electrically neutral, the number of protons and number of electrons in an atom is equal, both are equal, but an atom can receive an extra electron, and that is called the electron gain enthalpy. Means the amount of energy released when an extra electron is added to the outermost shell of an atom is called the electron affinity. It is the amount of energy released, because here a bonding is forming between an atom and electron. So for this reason here must be release of energy takes place rather than requirement of energy, because bond formation case, in the bond formation case energy is required, energy is released, unlike energy is required, here the energy is released. So if we want to define it, if we look at the definition of this electron affinity, it is defined as the amount of energy released, the amount of energy released when an electron is added to the outermost shell of an atom in its isolated gaseous state. So this is the definition of electron affinity. It is defined as the amount of energy released, or produced when an electron is added to the outermost shell of an atom in its isolated gaseous state. Okay, this is the complete definition of electron affinity. And in equation form, if we write this thing, then it will be as an element E in gaseous state gaining one electron and produce E minus gas plus energy, So this is called electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy, means the energy released here, this amount of energy is called electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. So this is the definition and this is the representation of electron affinity. And for receiving first electron in the atomic system or in the outermost shell of an atom, we say electron affinity 1, means first electron affinity. It is first electron affinity, first EA. And when after receiving one electron, again one electron is received by the monovalent anion, it is forming 2 minus, and in this case this is called successive electron affinities. This is called successive electron affinities. Successive electron affinities means that at first one electron is added to the atomic system, second another electron is to be added in the monovalent anion and form the divalent anion. So this is called successive electron affinity, and it is E electron affinity 2. So first one is electron affinity 1, means first electron affinity. When second electron is added to the anion, it is called the second electron affinity. Generally, in case of second electron addition, the energy is not released, energy is need to be supplied. Energy is need to be supplied for addition of second electron to the E minus because of the repulsion. These are negative charge, means anions, and this one is negative charge. For this reason they repel each other, and to overcome this repulsion, of the electron and the already negatively charged anion, we have to give energy in order to overcome this repulsive force and to add one more electron to the E minus system. Here energy is required, and for its example is oxygen. For making O1 minus, energy is produced, but when we make O minus to O2 minus, that time energy need to supply here. Here E is the energy is supplied here in order to overcome the repulsive force between the electron and anion, and to produce O2 minus. Here the energy is required. So in this case energy is produced, and in this case energy is required. These are called successive electron affinity. Now the question is, in which unit electron affinities are measured? Unit of electron affinity is electron volt. Electron volts or EV, or kilocalorie per mole, or kilojoule per mole. These are the units that are used to measure electron affinity. Next important point is, what are the factors on which electron affinity is dependent? Factors on which EA depends. The factor on which EA depends, the first factor is atomic size. The first factor is atomic size. Atomic size, small size means high EA. Electron affinity is high because look at the picture. Suppose this is a large size atom and this is a small size atom. Look at the distance between the outermost shell and the nucleus. Here distance is more, that means magnitude of attraction by nucleus is less powerful, or nuclear pull is less here because of the atomic size. Small size of atom, for large size of atom, the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell are larger. So for this reason nucleus cannot attract the outermost electron more tightly, and for this reason one atom does not feel more attraction for an extra electron. So for the case of small size, these affinities are higher, high electron affinity. Next important thing is after size, nuclear charge. Nuclear charge, high nuclear charge means high electron affinity, because high nuclear charge can produce a higher pull. High nuclear charge, high nuclear charge can produce a higher pull to the outermost electrons. For this reason, high nuclear charge atom in an atom can cause the greater attraction of the incoming electron. So for this reason, higher nuclear charge have higher electron affinity. And next important thing is stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration cause the higher electron affinity. Okay, because when an atom have stable electronic configuration, suppose example nitrogen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3, it is half filled. It is half filled and stable configuration. Half filled and stable configuration. For this reason, it shows a less tendency to accept one electron in order to form N minus, compared to nitrogen or oxygen, where 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Here the orbital is neither half filled nor full filled. So here nitrogen have a reluctance to accept an electron compared to oxygen. In case of nitrogen, due to the stable electronic configuration of nitrogen, it shows a reluctance to accept an extra electron. Okay, because it has stable electronic configuration, so it has less electron affinity compared to oxygen. You can compare beryllium and boron. Here 2s is fulfilled stable electronic configuration, where in case of boron, here neither full filled nor half filled electronic configuration is present. For this reason, boron has positive value of Ea and it has negative Ea. Electron affinity value for boron is negative, means have negative electron gain enthalpy. It has for compared to beryllium has a reluctance to receive one extra electron because of its stable 2s2 filled electronic configuration. It has less tendency to accept another electron to form the anion. So for this reason, it has lower electron affinity. So electron affinities depended on three factors. One is nuclear charge, another is the atomic size, and next is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration stable means electron affinities are higher. Stable electronic configuration has higher electron affinity. Next point is variation. Variation of electron affinity along any period. Suppose along any period of the periodic table, what is the variation of electron affinity? Electron affinity increases. Electron affinity increases along any period due to decrease in size of atom and higher nuclear charge. So in any along any period, you can find the electron affinity increases in any period due to decrease in size of atom decreases, small size of atom and higher nuclear charge. and in this case you can find some exceptions, means there increases along the period, electron affinity value increases with giving some exceptions like beryllium, boron, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. It gives positive value, it gives negative value, it gives some positive value, it gives negative value of electron gain enthalpy, means it has some, this has some reluctance to receive one more electron due to their stable electronic configuration. So in general left to right electron affinity increases, but some exceptions are also present. And in any period, after in any period, top to, or you can say down the group, if you move down the group top to bottom or down the group, then the electron affinity goes on decreasing. Electron affinity goes on decreasing due to increase in size of atom, and due to increase in size of atom, down the group electron affinities are electron value, electron affinity is decreasing, it decreases, but have some exceptions also for down the group case, like fluorine and chlorine. In case of fluorine and chlorine, chlorine has higher electron affinity than fluorine, higher EA than fluorine. So this is one exceptions where chlorine has higher electron affinity than fluorine down the group. Actually fluorine needs to be the higher electron affinity than chlorine, but what happens in this case, due to the fluorine has fluorine has small size, compact size. Fluorine has small size and compact size, and for this reason when an extra electron is added to fluorine, the repulsion start with the electrons adding and the electrons that are present in fluorine. So for this reason the fluorine atom has lower electron gain enthalpy compared to chlorine, where chlorine has larger size than fluorine and larger size, so it here one extra electron can easily enter compared to fluorine, and for this reason chlorine has higher electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity than fluorine. So this is the total discussion about the electron affinity. What are the factors that are dependent, electron affinities of element are dependent, and the variation of electron affinity down the group and left to right, and electron affinity definition and unit. These are the most important point for your examinations and for class 11-12 standard syllabus. These are the main important topics that I covered here. So thank you for watching this video, and you can watch all the other videos that I already uploaded in this channel from the playlist, or chapter wise playlist, or from the class standard playlist. You can watch all the other videos, and if you find this video is useful to you, then you can like this video, and if you find that this channel is useful for you, then you can subscribe this channel.